Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Stackable's text block in WordPress. This is a mini-series on taking a look at Stackable's blocks one by one. To get started, let's open up a brand new blank page and look at this most important block in depth. To do that, there's a couple of ways to make a new page. We can either start from our website, and if we're logged in, we'll have the stop toolbar. Hover over New and click on Page. Alternatively, if you've logged in and ended up on your dashboard, hover over to your left-hand sidebar, hover down to Pages and click on Add New Page. This will take us to the WordPress block editor and create for us a brand new blank page. Once we're here, just a few housekeeping items. If this right-hand sidebar doesn't appear, there's a button beside Publish called Settings. Just click on that. This is where all of the settings and parameters for us to configure and toggle for the block will appear. Next, let's give our page a title, just to keep things organized. And last but not least, let's add the block itself. There's this blue button in the top left corner. Click on that. It's called the Block Inserter. We can either scroll down to find our block or search for it, but Stackable is on top of this for us, so we don't have to go too far. And there is text. Let's drag and drop that into here. Okay, perfect. We have our text block. Let's close up the Block Inserter to give ourselves some more room to work with. And let's start with adding some text. So we can either type it here or type under Content. All right, I put some lipsum on there, lorem ipsum, and let us go through the motions. So layout, we can justify our text where we want it. We can change how many columns our text is divided to. We can change the gap between our columns, and then our size and spacing settings, so that's our margins and padding. Next, we have our style settings. So typography, we can change our font over here. Let's just go with something safe like serif, okay? And we can change the size. We can change the text color. Let's make it something readable, okay? Let's change, let's add some shadow to this, make it look interesting. We could add a background to our text within its own container. Okay, that blue is nice. And we can add borders and shadows. We can put a border radius on the background of it, and we can put a shadow on it, as well as an outline. Okay. Beyond this, we have our general settings, our hard position settings, our custom attributes, our responsive settings if you want to hide this particular block of text on desktop, tablet, and or mobile, and our advanced settings, which are HTML, Anchor, and additional CSS classes. Now that's a pretty easy block to use, certainly, but it is one of the most important because many of the blocks have this within them. And as WordPress, where else are you going to put your words? Let's go ahead and save this and click on Publish and take a look at how it looks like on our live site. With that saved, let's click on View Page, and this is how it looks like on our live site. One of the most crucial blocks that Stackable has to offer, our Stackable text block. If you found this video useful, helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.